Need a phone?
Since when I can record and still listen to Pandora? Wow. I used to I guess I needed to update, but I couldn't update because I didn't have any storage. But okay, iPhone 16, I see you, period. Okay, y'all. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel, Butterfly the Truth. My channel is intended for adults, so you must be 18 years or over to receive this good message. I do use profanity over here, so if you do not like profanity or if you do not use profanity, then you are free to go. To the ones of you that are staying here with me, hey y'all, how you doing, how you feeling, how you been? Welcome back to my Kaleidoscope Tribe. Welcome back to my Kaleidoscope Tribe. So y'all, the park is about to close. This is going to be my first complete reading of 2025, and I'm going to get it done in 10 minutes and under. That's what's going to happen. That's all that's going to happen, okay? Being is, when I was pre-shuffling my tarot cards, 10 was at the end and the beginning of the deck, and it was the 10 of Pentacles as well as the 10 of Cups. And we already know 10 is the highest abundance that you can receive. So someone does have a reason to celebrate that is coming upon you. It's been a lot of struggle. It's been a lot of stress. It's been a lot of variation. It's been a lot of what ifs. Somebody has decided to put your faith in the Most High. Put your faith in knowing that you made the right moves. You did all that you can do. And that you are righteous, and know that justice is on your side. Know that karma and dharma is on your side. Somebody will have a reason to celebrate soon. So my precognated messages is celebration. Celebration is here. All of the cloudiness from the storm is now clear. Now reap the gold at the end of your pot. Reap the gold from the pot of gold at the end of your rainbow. I love you so much. All wrongs are righted, and always old ways and old things that are not making good way are out. Out with the old, in with the out with the old, in with the new. When you know better, you do better. And so, to you, whomever this message is for, because I don't have a specific zodiac sign, this is a collective message. Enjoy. You work hard for this. You have stayed down for this. You have been patient for this. You have been just due for whatever it is on the way to you. Take these blessings and do right with it, okay? That's what I can say. Do right with it. You probably will never experience anything like this ever in this lifetime. No one in your bloodline probably has never experienced the magnitude of the blessing that's coming to you. Somebody is about to be able to shift their whole entire bloodline. Somebody is going to be able to save their whole entire bloodline. All the trials and tribulations that you went through, you are the chosen one. It all falls on you, and you're going to have the means to do so. Just stick to it, put in the work, do the right thing, and don't worry about anything else. Know that God is guiding you and protecting you along your way. All right, we're going to get straight into the cards. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 decks. And then I got some messy flutter cards that I made. I just finished this deck up, but I'm not going to read those today. I'll read those later on this week. So I'm going to, we at 4 minutes. We're going to do the Modern Goddess Tarot. My son brought me these cards. I've never, ever done a complete reading with these cards. See, they're still in the box. He brought me these for my solar return for my birthday. When I was in the hospital, my first birthday in the hospital, my first birthday without Corbin in 2023. And cups, C3 cups. Right here, celebration is coming. Teamwork make the dream work. Know that. Somebody has asked for the proper people to be put in your life. Somebody has asked God to remove all the people that are going to be burdens, that are going to hinder you, that are going to be a leech to you, people that think that they are going to be able to use you. See, here you go. You're not blind, baby. You're not going to be dumb to the bullshit. You're going to be accepting and aware of all things that are coming to you. If it ain't going to work for you, if it's not going to be of your higher good, anything that's going to move you along, anything that's going to create revenue, residual income, generational wealth, you're not going to allow it in your space. People tired of stressing, people tired of being sad, people tired of being angry, people are tired of hurting, and they are literally removing people and things out of their life that are like cancerous to them, that mean them no well. Because I hope y'all know that you can die from a broken heart and you can die from stress. Stress will kill you faster than a bullet. That's what my grandma used to tell me. Okay, let's go. Talk to me, God. Talk to me, sis. Talk to me. Talk to me. Give me messages. Come on. Okay. Three of Pentacles. It's going to happen. I'm telling you, your soul tribe is coming. The alignment is coming. The kaleidoscope tribe is coming. Teamwork make the dream work. You're going to be put around some people. And, baby, y'all team going to be so fucking vicious and victorious. It's going to be so voluptuous. It's going to be so juicy. It's going to be everything that you've been missing. And this may not be anybody that is of blood relation to you. People keep assuming that family is blood relation. Your family is what you make it. Just because you are blood related to somebody, that does not mean that is your family, okay? Swords. That's the harsh truth. You see this? That's the harsh truth. And we got the Nine of Cups. We got wish fulfillment. Let me tell you something. It's coming. And I don't know why these people are on these cards are a little unorthodox, but it is what it is. I don't like the way these cards are doing. Come on. Talk to me, source. Wish fulfillment is coming, baby. Here you go, confirmation. It's coming. That's gold. That cups, that's water. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Oh my goodness. Okay. Listen. Celebration is on the way. And I hear that it's a celebration. Oh, really celebrate. That's that tank. What is tank? Tank of Scorpio? Okay, that's that water. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And we got the Four Wands. I'm telling y'all, look, a celebration is coming. This is my first entire card that went viral. The Four Wands came out. This is a union. This is a community. This is celebration. This is marriage. This is home life. This is stability. This is happiness. This is abundance. It's all coming, baby. And Wands is the energy of fire. So Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. Could be significant, baby. Water, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and then we got Pentacles, which is Earth, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, could be significant. Ooh, and we in Virgo season. Happy solar return to all Virgos. Today is my little sister's birthday. Fuck you, bitch. Yep, yeah, fuck you, bitch. Because see, here you go. This is where you going to be here. Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. Down bad. Lost. Poverty. Stricken. Fuck you, bitch. Burning hell. And I mean that on everything I love. Yep, there they go, straight like that. Five of Pentacles. Poverty, because you poor. You a fake billionaire, bitch. Fuck you. And I mean that. Ugh. Source, do you have any more messages for me? 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 Okay, that's it. Crown of Pentacles. Here you go, Mamiana, the queen, the matriarch. It all begins with you, okay? And it all can end with you. Just know that everything that comes from this lineage, from this bloodline, from this generation forth, depends on you. You the queen. You the queen, baby. You the empress. You. Nobody but you. Everything. Your great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-grandchildren are going to be able to know that they are in the position that they are because of the sacrifices that you made here in this life cycle. That's for a fact. Matriarch. Yes or no question. Y'all can ask a yes or no question. Y'all can ask a yes or no question. We're going to get 3. All right, one card. One more. So let's give me one more card. Give me one. Okay, we got a yes. We got the Knight of Swords. Oh, we got the maybe, the Hierophant, and then we got yes, but it's in reverse. And this is the Ace of Cups. Okay, so the Ace of Cups came out, and then the Hierophant, and then the Knight of Swords. So 10 minutes. It just went over 10 minutes. But I'm going to take into account of the 1 minute and 48 seconds that I started off with my intro, okay? I'm going to be done by 12. We got yes. Repressed emotion, blocked logic, self-love, intuition, anguish, end of a relationship, bad news. Out with that zero and get a hero. Out with the old, in with the new, okay? You cannot go forward if you keep looking backwards. If it's pulling you back and if it ain't meaning you no good, if it's not getting you anywhere positive or anywhere that is tangible, let it the fuck go. It's not good for you, okay? Let it go, let it go, let it go. And then we got maybe. See, you want to go back and reconsider and do all that. God telling you maybe, but maybe not, okay? Don't do it. Reconsider. Rebellion, contempt, withholding, supervisionist, freedom, personal beliefs, challenging the status quo. Okay, this is you, baby. You break. You don't fold. You don't confine. You are the leader. You are the trendsetter. You are the waymaker. You are the head. You are not the tail. This is you, and you are this. Okay, you are the Hierophant. That's the highest of the highest. That is a major arcana. And then we got the Knight of Swords. And we got fearless, ambitious, competitive, brave, accomplishment, big changes, seize the moment, tenacity, action-oriented, driven to succeed, fast thinking. Okay? You are strong and full of energy, ready to take on the world. Understand your higher beliefs, values, and personal boundaries. See, no means no. You say you don't like it. You say you don't want to be cheated on. You say you don't want to be with no bum ass nigga. You say you don't want to be with no dumb ass Insta-stop thought hoe that ain't doing nothing but selling videos and pussy pictures and ain't got no motion and is lazy and don't clean up and don't cook and a nigga that's fucking balls is musty, head peasy as fuck, dirty butt. You don't want it. You don't want it. He don't take you nowhere. He don't do nothing. She don't do nothing to make you even want to come home. You don't want it. Move on. Drop that zero and get it with a hero. I don't know how many times I gotta tell you that. You're only hurting yourself. Open your heart and receive the emotions around you. Please, 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 please. You are what you attract. If you don't like what you're attracting, change the scenery, change the scenario, change it. Change it, change it, change it. And we're going to ask the question, one last yes or no question. This is Corbin's 8-ball Hot Wheels car that we won with all our little points. This thing was almost 600 points at Dave & Buster's, period. So let's give my collective audience the answer to one yes or no question. And y'all are going to answer the question in 3, 2, 1. Source. What the fuck do I say? Okay, ask again. Ask again, ask again. What is this saying? I need a flashlight. What? Reply hazy. Okay. That means ask again, right? Ask the question. God, give them a question. Give them an answer. Yes or no. Yes or no. Yes or no. See, you cloudy, you confused. You don't know. Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, y'all. I'm so over. It never happens on time, but better late than never. It's not going to be a 30-minute reading, I tell you that. Give me some credit, baby. Give me some credit, baby. Give me some credit. Hey, all small little accomplishments are worth celebrating. Okay. 3, 2, 1. It is certain. It is certain. So that's yes. Whatever you ask is yes. Hopefully, if I should leave them alone for good. Don't text them. They're not going to text you. You probably already blocked. They ghosted you. They ignored you. They showed you. And if somebody's saying nothing, that speaks volume. Silence is louder than any word that can be spoken. Okay? And fuck what a motherfucker saying out their mouth. Actions speak louder than words. Don't accept no I'm sorry. Sorry didn't do it. They did it, okay? They did it, and they knew what they was doing, unless you fucking with a retard. And I just would think that my viewers are really smart, intelligent individuals, okay? So they did what the fuck they wanted to do, and that make them stand on it, all right? And make your next move your best move, period. Okay? Keep your heart. Don't do it. Reconsider. Read some litter. Okay, come on now. Keep your heart 3 stacks. 3 cups, 3 coins that came out there. Let me tell y'all something. We're gonna get y'all a fortune, and we up out of here. If you need some money, say Butterfly's moolah mantra, and it goes a little something like this. I make the moolah could never make me. I'm a moolah magnet, more like a moolah tree. Moolah magic, yeah. That's me. That's me. Okay, lucky numbers for the lucky one. Lucky numbers, 39, 37, 4, 48, 41, and 47. Today, your words have the power to inspire. Get the fuck out of here. Today, out of all days, and I completed a reading. All right? Until the next time, I want y'all to subscribe. Tell me where you are viewing this message from. Let me know if any of my messages resonate. Let me know what signs you specifically want me to read on, or subjects that you want me to read on. Are there any questions? Oh, I'm sorry, Corbin. Oh, gosh. Are there any questions that you would like to ask me specifically? I want you to like, follow, share, comment, all those great things. Until next time, I love y'all. I mean it. Period. At this bitch.